Hello students, myself Kapil Gopnani. In my first video I have ended with the topic production possibility curve slide. Now this second topic we will start with the production possibility curve. In short it is known as PPC. Now what is PPC? First let us see the definition. It shows the different combination of two goods which can be produced with the given resources. Now, it's a curve which is showing the combination of two goods which can be produced with the given resources. Before going on assumption, just see the graphical representation. This is the graphical representation. Here you can see on one side there is wheat and on other side there is rice. Means on the x-axis the good is rice and on the y-axis the good is wheat. These are the combinations. Now A, B, C, D, E, these are the combinations which can be produced with the given resource. Talking about the resource is land. If the whole land is being used in the production of rice, then we can get what? Point E. And if whole land is being used in production of wheat, then what amount of wheat I can get? It is at point A. Leaving out it, just again focusing on the PPC's definition. Again, it has been showing us the two combination which can be produced with the given resources. Assumptions. Resources are fully and efficiently utilized and technique of production remain constant. These are the two basic assumptions of PPC on which the production possibility curve is being drawn. All combinations which are lying over or under PPC are attainable combinations. In this, you can see that A, B, C, D, E and the point which is lying below the PPC, this particular point, these all are attainable combination. Talking about point F, it is unattainable or non-feasible combination. Moving forward, PPC and what to produce. The problem was shifting of resources from wheat to rice will reduce the production of wheat and increase the production of rice. Think of if I having a 1 hectare land, half of the land was first being utilized for wheat, half of the land was first being utilized for rice. Suppose the combination was B. When I am shifting my sum of the resources from wheat to rice, then I am going towards the combination C because my resources for wheat has been reduced and the resources for rice has been increased. That's why the production of rice will increase and the production of wheat will decrease. Now, moving on to the next concept, which is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the cost of availing one opportunity in terms of loss of other opportunity. Let us understand with a practical example. Suppose a person is offered 3 jobs. Job A offers him 70,000, job B offers him 65,000, job C offers him 60,000. A rational person will always go for job A. The opportunity cost of availing A would be option B, that is 65,000, which is the next best alternative option. Always when we are talking about opportunity cost, it is the next best alternative, or we can say opportunity lost is opportunity cost. I cannot consider here as C because it was not the next best alternative. If I have not chosen A, my next best alternative would have been B. That's why the B is the opportunity cost here. Moving on, what is marginal opportunity cost? Students, please do not be confused between opportunity cost and marginal opportunity cost. These two are very different concept. Opportunity cost is different, marginal opportunity cost is different. It is the rate. Marginal opportunity cost is the rate and the opportunity cost is the total loss. Marginal opportunity cost is the rate at which the output of one good is to be sacrificed for every additional unit of other good. What is the formula? It is delta loss upon delta gain. It is also considered as the slope of PPC. When can say when we are drawing a curve, it is always having a slope. And what is the slope of that curve? The slope of that curve is the marginal opportunity cost. Difference between opportunity cost and MOC, you can see that opportunity cost, it means the total loss when the resources are being shifted from one to another. Then what is the only total loss? I'm not talking about the gain here. Means if I have shifted my resources from wheat to rice and there is loss of 10,000 tons of wheat, then opportunity cost is the total loss, which is 10,000 wheat. Now marginal opportunity cost is something different. It refers to cost per unit of additional output when the resources are being shifted from one good to another. Example, when the resources were being shifted from wheat to rice, there was a loss of 100 kg and gain by rice. Here opportunity cost means the total loss is 100 kg. This is only the opportunity cost. Now talking about marginal opportunity cost, it would be delta loss upon delta gain. What is the loss? 100 and dividing upon what is the gain, which is 50. So it can be 2 kg wheat is to 1 kg rice. This is the basic difference between opportunity cost and marginal opportunity cost.